This education material has been obtained from Commonwealth Para 14. For all the general purposes of everyday life, we all understand time quite well, full stop. We know that each day is made up of 24 hours, that there are never 23 hours to the day and never 25, full stop. We know that the little hands marking the passing of the minutes and hours move on and on at their even rate, and that although they work in our services, they work without any regard to our personal and social interests, full stop. They will work no more quickly when life is taken us towards some specially pleasing event, and they will not lessen their rate when we are moving towards something less pleasing, full stop. We know that time influences us in the doing of every piece of work. For all work to have its highest value has to be done to time, full stop. The chief who calls the members of the board together for a certain time must be ready when the board meets with the facts, figures, or questions which he wishes to put to the members, full stop. He depends not only upon his own work in this connection, but upon the work of all directly working with him, from the most experienced man in his employ to the most recent of the office boys, full stop. The motor manufacturer must so organize the year's work of all his men that he not only supplies the day-to-day demand of the public for his product, but also has his new goods quite ready for the market at the expected time, full stop. The manufacturer, whatever his product may be, must supply present demand and at the same time organize future work, full stop. Goods made for shipment overseas must be ready for shipment by the date on which the ship is leaving the country, full stop. The kind of market in which we are interested makes little difference. Goods must be put on the market when the market is ready to receive them, full stop. But the principal difficulty of all planning comes from the fact that we cannot see time, full stop. We have perhaps 5 months in which to do a piece of work. There seems to be no need for an immediate start, and the papers in connection with it are put on one side, full stop. When the papers again see the light of day, we find possibly that we need information from another person, full stop. But to the second man, this piece of work is something just received, and he in his turn sits on it for a little while only to find, when he looks seriously at the work, that it requires the attention of a third party, full stop. And valuable days pass until we find that the work is either put through to time as a result of much work and running about on the part of everyone interested, or it is not put through with resulting loss of money and goodwill. Full stop. Even when man has done his best, nature sometimes lets us down and weather conditions. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat Lahore, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorten and Computer College Shadra.